For over a century, our world has run on wires, massive networks of cables carrying electricity everywhere. These wires have been the silent lifeblood of our cities and homes, connecting us to light, power, and progress. From the first flicker of electric bulbs to the hum of modern industry, cables have shaped the way we live, work, and communicate. But as these networks grew, so did their problems: tangles, breakages, hazards, and huge maintenance costs. Every storm, every accident, every overloaded circuit exposed the vulnerability of our wired world. The more we relied on cables, the more we struggled with their limitations. Just look under your desk. Cable chaos is everywhere, a daily reminder of our dependence on wires. And on a larger scale, storms and disasters can knock out entire communities, leaving thousands in the dark and disconnected for days or even weeks. Extending this infrastructure to remote places is a monumental challenge. Rugged terrain, vast distances, and high costs make it nearly impossible for some communities to access reliable power. For millions, the promise of electricity remains just out of reach. Long ago, Nikola Tesla dreamed of a world where electricity could travel through the air, no cords required. He imagined a future where power would be as free and accessible as the air we breathe, reaching every corner of the globe. For decades, this idea seemed impossible, too inefficient, too expensive, and far beyond the technology of the time. Many tried and failed, and the dream of wireless power faded into the background of scientific history. But science is about making the impossible real. With each new discovery, researchers chipped away at the barriers, turning fantasy into possibility. Today, Tesla's vision is finally within reach. Advances in technology have brought us closer than ever to a world where power flows freely, without wires or limits. The technology to send power wirelessly is here, ready to cut the cords that have bound us for so long. Imagine a future where plugging in is a thing of the past, and devices charge effortlessly, wherever you are. We're on the brink of a new era, one where energy flows invisibly, reshaping how we live and work. Our homes, cities, and even vehicles are being transformed by this silent revolution. The journey from wires to wireless is one of the most exciting stories in modern science. It's a testament to human ingenuity, persistence, and the drive to overcome the limits of the past. And it's about to change everything, opening up new possibilities for how we connect, create, and power our world. How do we send electricity through the air? It might seem like magic, but it's actually the science of electromagnetism at work. This invisible force is all around us, quietly powering the technology of tomorrow. The first method is called inductive charging. It uses two coils, one hidden inside a charging pad and the other inside your device. When you bring them close together, they create a magnetic field that transfers energy. Just place your device on the pad, and power jumps the gap. No wires needed, no plugging in. It's seamless and effortless. This is the same technology that charges your phone, your smartwatch, or even your electric toothbrush at home. It's already part of our daily lives. It's safe, simple, and already everywhere. From coffee shops to airports, and even in some cars, wireless charging is quickly becoming the new normal. But there's a catch. It only works over very short distances. Move your device just a little too far, and the power connection is lost. For longer distances, scientists use a different approach called power beaming. Here, electricity is converted into focused energy beams, like microwaves or lasers, and sent through the air to a special receiver, which turns it back into usable electricity. Imagine drones powered mid-flight, or solar energy collected in space and beamed down to Earth. The possibilities are almost limitless, opening up new ways to deliver energy where it's needed most. Companies are working hard to make power beaming more efficient and incredibly safe, with smart systems that instantly shut off if anything interrupts the beam, protecting people, pets, and the environment. These advances mean we can deliver electricity to places where wires can't reach, remote villages, disaster zones, or even across vast oceans. It's a breakthrough for global connectivity. Wireless power is no longer just science fiction. It's real, it's here, and it's changing how we think about energy. It's a game changer for how we distribute and use energy, from our homes to our cities and beyond. The invisible revolution has begun, and the future of power is truly wireless. Wireless electricity is already part of daily life. Millions use Qi wireless charging for phones, earbuds, and watches. Just set your device down and it charges. Electric vehicles are next. In Sweden, taxis charge wirelessly from pads embedded in the pavement. No plugs, no hassle. This tech works in all weather, proving it's ready for real-world use. In medicine, wireless power charges implants like pacemakers, eliminating risky surgeries to replace batteries. Power can even be beamed to remote locations, cell towers, research stations, or entire villages, where wires can't reach. This brings electricity to places once left in the dark, unlocking opportunities for millions. Wireless power is about more than convenience. It's about access, safety, and innovation. From our pockets to our cars to the most remote corners of the planet, the wireless revolution is underway. The future is already here, and it's charging up fast. No cords required, no limits, just power everywhere. The next wave of wireless power is even more transformative. The new Kai standard will deliver enough power for kitchen appliances. Imagine a truly cordless kitchen. Dynamic charging roads are being tested, letting electric cars charge while driving. No more range anxiety. Smaller, lighter batteries will make EVs cheaper and more efficient. The most ambitious vision? Space-based, solar-powered giant panels in orbit beaming clean energy to Earth day and night. Breakthroughs in efficiency and standardization, like Qi 2 and advanced beaming, are making wireless power practical and reliable. Soon, these technologies will be everywhere, in our homes, cities, and vehicles. The age of the cord is ending. The future is wireless, powerful, and limitless, and it's coming fast. Why does wireless power matter? Why are so many people excited about a world without wires? First, it's about convenience. No more cable clutter, tripping hazards, or broken connectors. Imagine never having to search for the right charger or untangle a mess of cords again. Public spaces become cleaner and safer, with invisible automated power everywhere. Airports, cafes, and libraries can offer seamless charging, making life easier for everyone. But the impact goes deeper. Wireless power makes our energy systems more resilient and flexible, able to adapt to changing needs and emergencies. Decentralized power beaming can keep the lights on during disasters, providing critical energy when traditional grids fail. It can also deliver renewable energy from remote solar and wind farms, connecting clean power sources to cities and towns far away. Architects can design buildings and cities free from wiring constraints, opening up new possibilities for creativity and efficiency in construction. Historic sites can be modernized without damage, preserving their beauty while adding modern comforts. Roads that charge cars as they drive, parks with seamless device charging for everyone, and furniture with built-in power become possible, blending technology into our daily lives in ways we've only imagined. Wireless power unlocks new innovations. Drones that never land, robots that work around the clock, and devices that are always ready to use. Smart cities full of sensors can monitor air quality, traffic, and safety in real time, making urban life more efficient and responsive. And with abundant clean energy from space, we can power our world sustainably, even in places where energy is scarce. It's not just about cutting cords. It's about unleashing creativity and progress. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. Wireless power is the foundation for a smarter, greener, more connected world, where technology serves us seamlessly. It's a revolution in how we live, work, and connect. And it's just beginning. The future is truly wireless, and it's closer than you think. Of course, there are challenges. Efficiency is key. Early wireless systems wasted energy, but new standards are closing the gap with wired charging. Infrastructure costs are huge. Embedding charging in roads or launching solar satellites will require massive investment and global cooperation. Safety is critical. Engineers are building systems that shut off instantly if interrupted and operate within safe frequency bands. Public trust will depend on transparent testing and clear regulations. Standardization is another hurdle. Universal systems are needed so any device can charge anywhere. Competing standards slow progress, especially for vehicles and industry. Solving these challenges will take time, investment, and collaboration. But the momentum is real. The wireless future is within reach. If we work together, the payoff will be worth it. Is wireless electricity a true revolution? Absolutely. Breaking free from cords transforms power into something ambient, intelligent, and ever-present. It's as profound as the leap from landlines to mobile phones. Cities will be cleaner, quieter, and more beautiful. No more tangled wires or noisy engines. Wireless power can bring energy to the 800 million people still living without it, fueling global development. Our grid will become smarter, more resilient, and ready for renewables, even energy from space. The challenges are real, but the breakthroughs are happening now. Tesla's dream is finally within our grasp. Wireless electricity will change our homes, cities, and our relationship with the planet. The age of the wire is ending. A new era of invisible, untethered power is here. The future of energy is in the air, and it's electrifying.